back to my channel. For all those of you who are new, hi, my name is Tuhin and I'm back with another video. And this time, as you can read from the title, it is going to be a Flipkart try-on haul. So basically I am going to try on all this stuff that I've bought off of Flipkart, and I am going to review it for you guys once I take it out of the packet, and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks once I've worn it. Okay, so this is basically going to be a try on haul, and also it is a budget video, so each of these pieces that I've bought is under 500 rupees, so it will become easier for you to shop on a budget. Now with that being said, I want to give you a little preface, that is that this video is a complete challenge for me, because I do not like shopping for clothes online. I would rather go to the market and get the particular thing that I need from the market itself, and I would not shop online for clothes. For the rest of the things I do shop for everything else online, but for clothes I do prefer going to a market and then buying it for myself. But yeah, so this time it's my first time that I have bought anything online or anything of that sort. Now a couple of you might be thinking, why Flipkart, why not Myntra, Ajio, or any other sort of online shopping apps that are there for clothing, because there are obviously better apps than Flipkart for clothes. So basically, as I told, I don't shop online for clothes, so because of that I don't have any sort of experience of what sort of clothes I get on Myntra or what sort of clothes I get on Flipkart, like what is the difference exactly. And for me, I have a trust in Flipkart, and that sort of trust I do not have in any other online shopping apps. So because of that, to play it a little safe, I have gone for Flipkart, but in the future you'll be seeing other hauls as well for Amazon and for Myntra, Ajio, and all of them. So yeah, that is basically the crux of this video. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to show you the picture of how it looks on the app, how the merchant has shown it on the app, and then I am going to unpack it in front of you guys, and I'm going to give you my personal views on how the entire thing has turned out, and what all details exactly match and what all details are like a little different from what it is shown. So we are going to discuss that. I'm going to review it like that, and then I'll click some pictures and then I'll show it to you guys that how that particular piece looks once I have gotten ready, like the way I want to style it later on. So that is how this is going to be. So that's more or less it. So without any further ado, we should get started with this video. Alright, so for the first top that I have over here, it is a pink and white striped top, as you can see, and it goes by the name Harpa Casual Regular Sleeve Stripe Women Pink Top. I got it for 300 rupees when I bought it, and right now, as I can see, the price is 359 rupees, so not much of a difference is there. And the material that I got it for is polycotton. So the material that I had ordered for is polycotton, and I am looking forward to it being a crop shirt form of thing, like crop blouse shirt mix. I know you can understand what I'm trying to say, as you can see in the picture. Now let's open and see how this top looks. So just a second here. So this is how it is, and what I'm disappointed in is that it was supposed to be a crop shirt and not a full top, but it is a full top and not a crop shirt. Not a shirt, as you can see, is just a v-neck over here, and it's not crop either. It is a normal top with full sleeves, but it can be worn for 300 rupees. It's fine. I was really looking forward to the crop part of it, but okay, I think I can work with it. But if I don't like it after wearing it, I might return this one, because I'm not really that impressed with the top. I like the color, I like the print and everything, but I won't say that I'm actually very happy with the entire full length top sort of thing. I wanted it to be a crop shirt, but anyways, I'll try this on, and then probably I'm going to keep this one, but I'm not really sure. So now I'll show you when I try this on how this shirt, top looks. How this top looks. I'm going to show you that. Let's go. Alright, now the second piece that I have here is it's again from Harpa, from the brand Harpa, and it says it's the Harpa casual cuffed sleeve solid women white top. Quite a mouthful. And I got this one for rupees 325. The material is again polycotton, and it is supposed to be this off shoulder sort of shirt, and with the strings over here, as you can see in the picture, that's how it looks. And for now I am seeing this on for rupees 415. So even after the price hike, it is under 500, so it is going to be for 415 rupees if you buy it now. And when I bought it for rupees 325. So if you want to wait for a sale or something, sure you can. If you want to buy it right now, go ahead. And now let's see how this looks when I open it up. So wait, I really thought that it was going to be a white shirt thing, so it is going to be transy, but as you can see, not transy. Happy about that it's not transy at all. I was actually really scared when I ordered this. I was scared for the fact that it is going to be transy, and then I'll have to wear something underneath it and the entire show of the top will go. But I'm actually very happy for the fact that it is not transy at all. It is not a see-through top. I mean, I can't see through it. I don't know if it seems see-through on the camera or not, but I can't see through it from here. And this is how this top looks. Yeah, so this is basically the shirt. I'm quite happy with it. The material is fine, the sleeves and everything, it is as shown in the picture, so I'm happy with the entire top. Now without any further ado, we should see the pictures of when I try this top on. Alright, let's go. Alright, now for the third piece that I have over here, it's again a top. It is called the Harpa casual bell sleeve printed yellow women top, and it is like this as shown in the picture. I got it for rupees 300. Right now what the price I can see on the app is rupees 359. The material is again polycotton, so I am really looking forward to this top because this was one of the favorite pieces that I bought in this entire look. So this is how the top looks. Oh, okay, it is actually open, so you need to tie this entire thing around. I just thought that the strings were like there on the sides and you just have to tie it on. I didn't know it was a complete wrap thing, but yeah, that's cool. The color is the same, the material is again polycotton. It is a good material. I like the overall material, the way it feels. It's sort of good. I am a little concerned about the neckline because when I get these tie tops, these have quite a issue for me for the neckline. So probably if the neckline is a bit low, then I am going to add a safety pin to this. But yeah, on the overall, I like the color, I like the cloth, I like the price that I got it for. So on the overall, I like this. I am probably gonna keep it, but I am not really sure on the part that how it would look once I get ready. So fingers crossed, and let's look for the pictures. Okay, let's go. Now for the next piece, basically these are two pieces that I bought separately, and then I am going to use it to form a quad sort of thing. It is basically a hoodie crop top, and with that it's a pair of joggers. So yeah, that is basically, I'm just going to put both of these things together into one outfit because I wanted to order them as a quad. Okay, so I am going to open both of these together, show both of these together, and then the pictures that you're going to see is also again going to be together. So the first thing that I have over here is the Sassafras casual regular sleeve solid women yellow top. Quite a mouthful again, and I got it for rupees 456. Now on the app right now, oh my god, it is available on a discount for rupees 369. And the material that I ordered it for was cotton lycra blend, and this is the color of the top, as you can see. So with this color, I think color is more or less the same, not much of a difference is there. I don't know why the color seems to be different on the camera, but guys, it is not that mustardy, it's more of yellow, but it seems mustard on the camera somehow. I don't know why, but please bear with it. So it is basically yellow, it's not mustard, but yeah, again. So this is the crop top. I like the crop top, I like the material, cotton lycra blend. The material is good. I got it for 456 rupees, so it is worth it, obviously worth it. The hood is big enough, the strings are nice, and on the overall I like this crop top for the pieces that it is. Alright, and the next and the last piece for this video is going to be the pair of joggers that I had bought. It is the Vero Lie Solid Women black track pants. It says track pants, but it looks like a jogger. So as you can see in the picture, it looks like that. I got it for 449 rupees. Right now it is available for 474 rupees, not a lot of difference again. And the material that I ordered it for was lycra blend. So I wear sort of blended clothes only. I am not a pure cotton or pure lycra sort of a person. I go for the blend, so that is something that is there. Now this is the joggers. Okay, I opened it beforehand. So this is basically the joggers. I mean, I like this belt. I like the entire material of the joggers. It is sort of the material is sort of different from a lycra blend, but okay, it's a good material. I am not saying that the material is not good, but it is sort of different from the lycra blend, so I like that. I like the material on the overall. I like the joggers. The fit, I think, is going to be perfect. This is one of the perfect fitting pieces that I believe I've got. The yellow stripes is again there, as you've seen in the picture. So on the overall, I am quite happy with both of these, the crop top and the joggers that I've got over here. I'm quite happy with all of them. So yeah, that is all for the quad set. Now I'm just going to add some pictures so that you guys can see and look for yourself how this piece looks how this piece looks when put together. So yeah, let's get on with the pictures. With this, we come to an end to today's video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that you're notified on all the future videos. And if you wish to follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description box below. So I would really like to see you guys there, be more involved in my life, keep up with the daily updates and everything. So yeah, that is definitely there. The link to all of these products is available in the description box. So if you like any of these, you can go click on the link and straight away you'll reach that product, the page of the product, and then you can buy it. And all of these pieces that I have bought over here are on the returnable policy or replacement policy. So if you guys think that when you order them and it is not up to the mark according to you, you can very well return them and you can get a refund for it, or you can get it replaced if there's a problem with the size or anything. So yeah, that is also there. And if you do recreate any of these looks that I have made throughout this video, if you're going to recreate any of those looks, do not forget to use the hashtag outfits by Tuhin so that I can look at all of your lovely recreations of all of these outfits. Now with that being said, I'll see you guys again next week. Until then, bye guys.